Portronics Pure Sound Pro 3 is a rechargeable wireless studio soundbar, allowing users to play music from multiple sources, including Bluetooth devices like smartphones, tablets, laptops, as well as pen drives. Portronics Pure Sound Pro 3 is available in jet black color at a price of Rs 2,999 through online and offline stores across India. All this makes it a very compatible and highly portable soundbar. The style and its sheer versatility to play music through different sources is what makes it different from other soundbars. Pure Sound Pro 3 is a blend of robust design and premium look. The connectivity options on the Pure Sound Pro 3 includes Bluetooth, Aux-in, USB drive and FM radio. A user can simply change modes by the press of a mode button, as it also announces the current mode for your convenience. The sound is decent for playing vocal-based audio files, as the lows and the mids is good, but once you increase the volume to its limit, the sound starts to crack and it feels distorted. The bass on the Portronics is decent considering the price of the soundbar and the fact that it offers various connectivity options. Pure Sound Pro 3 comes with two 5W RMS inbuilt speakers with amplifiers to offer sound output at a range of 180Hz to 18 kHz and signal to noise ratio of 75 dB. The speakers are enclosed in a grill body, making it look elegant. The Portronics speakers are backed by a 2500 mAh lithium-ion battery that delivers more than 5 hours of playback music on a single charge, depending on the level of volume.